Hello everyone. Welcome back with the last Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Thursday, September the 17th, 2020. We have here the last last Sudoku with 3 stars. Yes, a 3 stars Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru, and this will be number 1555. Alright, so let's get started. And can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. The single box is always the 1. That means the boxes, these 4 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Dual box, 1 and a 2. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Triple box, 1, 2 and 3. The 2 is already filled in, so the 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and a 1 goes there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. We have a 4 here. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 1 and the 2 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it should be a 5. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 2. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 2, that box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here, and I've eliminated the 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair, so the other 2 boxes should be the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Yeah, I need more information. Yes, I see. These 3 boxes surround the 5, cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. That means these 4 boxes surround the 5, cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes in this box. The 2 and the 4 are left. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 2, so I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in. Oh, wait. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 1 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 4 or a 2, so the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes. So the other 2 should be the 3 and the 5. Let me mark them. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. Let me think. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that this cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 3, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here. 5 and the 4 are left. Let me mark them. Yeah. Yeah. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 4, because I need a 1 and a 4 there. Cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, so 1 digit left should be the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. 1 and a 4, yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. Let me mark them, 2 and a 5. That means that this box cannot be 2 or 5. We have a 1 and a 4 here, so this should be definitely a 3. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2. And this should be the 5. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2, and this should be the 5. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be a 2. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. That means I cannot place a 4 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 1 and this should be a 4. Here. Let me see here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so one. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. This box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be this one. We have 4, the 3 left and the 5. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5. That box should be a 5 and this should be a 4. We have here a 4 and a 2. That box cannot be a 3. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 5. These 2 boxes is 2 and 4. This box cannot be a 4. That box should be a 4 and this should be a 2. Yes, finish in 11 minutes. Yes, I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like and only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling.